Welcome to Super Top. Today we will compare two blenders, Oster versus Hamilton Beach. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, blending soups, or tackling meal prep, these two blenders are ready to deliver. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves a spot on your countertop. Don't forget, the links to the best prices for both are in the description below. Similarities. Material. Both blenders feature durable, high-quality glass jars for blending, capable of handling hot and cold liquids with ease. Power. Equipped with powerful motors, 700 watts for Hamilton Beach and 700 watts of blending power for Oster, both are ready to crush ice and blend tough ingredients. Versatility. Each comes with a food processor attachment, making them multitasking powerhouses for chopping, shredding, and blending. Dishwasher safe. The jars, lids, and removable blades of both models are dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup. Settings. Both offer multiple speeds and functions, including pulse settings for precision control. Remember, the links to purchase both are in the description. Differences. Design and color. The Oster features a sleek brushed chrome design with a slightly bulkier build, while the Hamilton Beach offers a modern gray and black look with a more compact base. The Hamilton Beach might edge out for smaller kitchen spaces. Blending jars. Oster comes with a 6-cup Boro-class glass jar. Hamilton Beach includes a 40 ounces glass blending jar and a 20-ounce travel jar for on-the-go convenience. If portability matters, Hamilton Beach takes the lead here. Food processor functionality. Oster, a 3-cup BPA-free food chopper with an S-blade for precise chopping and shredding. Hamilton Beach, a 3-cup food processor attachment with slicing and shredding capabilities, making it a bit more versatile for meal prep. Blending features. Oster offers 16 speed settings, giving you a wide range of options from stir to frap. Hamilton Beach features 12 blending functions, including a patented wave action system to ensure smooth, consistent results. Special features. Oster includes a 10-year Duralast all-metal drive warranty, highlighting its durability. Hamilton Beach has a patented no-mess pour spout for drip-free pouring and additional convenience for streaming oils during blending. Weight. Oster is slightly heavier at 9 pounds, while Hamilton Beach weighs 7.7 pounds, making it more portable and easier to handle. Remember, the links to purchase both are in the description. If you're looking for durability and a wide range of speed options, the Oster is your go-to. It's perfect for serious meal prep enthusiasts who want a powerhouse blender with a long-lasting drive system. However, if you value versatility, portability, and a compact design, the Hamilton Beach is the winner. With its travel jar, no-mess pour spout, and extra food processor functionality, it's an excellent choice for those who want convenience. Both are exceptional blenders that cater to different needs, so the choice ultimately depends on your priorities. That's it for today's comparison. Ready to decide? Click the links in the description to grab the best deal on your favorite blender. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment on which one you'd choose, and activate the notification bell. See you at the next Super Top.